Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. I hope you are ready for the last week of school. We only have 3 days left, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then it's going to be summer. So, um, it's going to actually be a really easy week. You do not have any more work. As long as you are all caught up, you finished everything from the previous weeks, you are good to go. Your assignment today is just going to be finishing your presentation, and then Tuesday you get to watch those presentations of your peers. So it's going to be a really fun week. I do want you to make sure that you come to our hangout on Wednesday. It's not going to be just a hangout. It's going to be the last day of school. It's going to be at 10 altogether. You have to be there. 10 o'clock, mark your calendars. So one thing I need to let you know about here real quick is this student survey. So you're going to be seeing a link to a student survey. You'll see it here on Miss Lavelle's slides on my Google Classroom. You only have to take it once. It's the same survey. If you see student survey, just know if you already did it on Miss Lavelle's slides, then you don't need to do it here. Only click it once and do it once. But just do that. It shouldn't take you very long, but just kind of tell the school and our school district how your year went. So here are your Monday activities. So you are going to listen to the afterword of Woods Runner. If you've been reading Woods Runner with us, just listen to this. You do not have to take notes. Nothing. Your notes should already be turned in and done. You should have read through the epilogue last week. This just kind of gives us a little bit of background on the Revolutionary War itself. It has nothing to do with Samuel and the story that we read, but it is a really good listen. It'll just take a couple minutes. So click on that and listen. And then the rest of today, the only other assignment you have today is to make sure that your social studies project is completed, okay? So your timeline, this is your final presentation. You should have your 6 dates, your person's name, and your picture on that first slide. On the second slide, you should have your script written out. Make sure it fits all on that one slide. Or you could have created a video and linked that onto the first page. Either way, however you chose to do it, doesn't matter to me. I did put all of these links here so that it's a super quick one-stop shop. Everything you need is right here for you. So your script is here and your research notes are also there. These 2 video tutorials, if you're not finished with your timeline or your presentation yet, watch those tutorials. They'll just take a couple minutes and it walks you through the easiest and most efficient way to accomplish those tasks. So that is for today. I'll be helping at 9 or 1 today, working on your presentation. So if you have some questions or you need some help, or if you're still working, hop on and we'll answer some questions and talk through that. So looking forward to seeing you today. I hope you have an awesome day. We'll see you in Hangouts. Bye, guys.